What does that make this one? $66? Something like that, 66 bucks. Pegasus Plus right here, 130. Yeah, they're comfy as hell. Infinity Run Flyknit $375. That's what, $40 after the savings. So yeah, that's definitely the cheapest we've ever seen. These pennies right here, Social Status collab. And these Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Man, dude, that's the cheapest. I think that's the cheapest I've ever seen Jordan 1 High OGs. Holy cow. Second stop on Black Friday. What, I'm here, what, an hour after they opened? They opened at 8 a.m. Dude got 40% off the back wall. Also got refurbished stuff here. This deal definitely standing out right here. What does that make this, what, $66? Something like that, 66 bucks. You get the full box. Looks like all the bigger sizes are gone, 10 and below. And it looks like they just got these in, so hopefully these go down eventually. Do got the Reimagines Royals right here. Jordan 1 High OGs. These are going for what, $145? That brings them, I think, to $90 after 40 off. Not bad at all. Hyper Dunks. I think these are the ones I grabbed here for ridiculously cheap. They're going for $100 now. Laser Low Acronyms, $70. These Roshis? Oh, they're not. It's the wrong box. Nike Attacks going for $85. Jordan 2, size 11.5, $120. Zions, right here, Zion 3s, $100. $105 for the next gens. These prices ain't bad because you get 40% off the back wall. $50 for the mock flows. These are what, $30 after the savings. Pegasus, I was gonna say Pegasus Turbos. Pegasus Plus right here, $130. Yeah, they're comfy as hell, man. Am I gonna end up getting one of these before the Invincible Run 3s? Yeah, these are comfy as hell, dude. I think they're a little, I want to say maybe a little more comfy than the Pegasus Turbos that I have. I love the look of them. They look so sleek. Yeah, I love the look of these. Yeah, price, not the right price for now. $130, 40% off. So is that like 70 bucks or something? Still a hell of a deal because these retail for what, 180 or something? Yeah, 180. Right now, patience is key, especially since I do have the Pegasus 35 Turbo, size 11, 170 for the Air Max ones right there. And then I told you guys these are 3D printed pieces, so you can take them off. You can actually, I don't know if they still have them. When these first came out, you could download this. I don't know if it's a software or download the blueprint, the programming, whatever, to make your own 3D printed piece and throw it on the back right here. Okay, yeah, 75 for those. I guess some of them come with extra piece, some do not. Footscapes right here, these are definitely interesting, 120. Checking out the huge women's sizes, not seeing anything that sticks out, unfortunately. Interesting Forces right here, size 11.5 women's. It's an Air Force One Dance, what the hell? But yeah, 130. I mean, they got, oh, they have some nice plush leather on it. Way too bright though. Infinity Run Flyknit $375. That's what, $40 after the savings. Blazers go for 50. Did see Tech Fleece for a hell of a good price at Orange. 40% off here as well. Nobody goes to Orange for what? Yeah, $100, 40% off, so that's $60. We did see that earlier in the year. Was that late summer? But yeah, $60. These are the jackets right here. These also go for the same price. I'm definitely gonna have to hit up the clearance store to see if they got any steals. $100. I did not check the shorts. The shorts aren't included because it does. Wait, are they? Is it included? Is it not? Okay, 65. It does look like it is included. Right here, it doesn't say anything. On this side, it says tops only. That's why I was like, what the hell? So I was confused. Right here, it doesn't say anything. Right here, it says bottoms only. So these sweats right here, $45, 30 off on top. So it is winter. I thought they'd have more Tech Fleece. This is the only rack that I see for Tech Fleece. They have plenty of other fleece, and it's like more lightweight. $50 for these, no additional discounts. They got these hoodies right here. These are lightweight hoodies as well. 30% off, multiple colorways. 30% off these Jordan flight hoodies right here. That's 30% off of 60, so it's at 42. Camo ones are 90. I don't know if it's included in the 30 off, but those are going for 90. Dang, dude. Not much in terms of tech fleece. People cleaning up on these Jordan 1 High OGs. Look at that. Resellers grabbing a ton of them. Probably good for Amazon sales, I would assume. Do got some Alpha Fly Next Percent 3s, $285 though. But with that 40 off, that's not bad. It's smaller size 9. Women, 7.5 bands. What's this right here? Zoom Victories, $190. Obviously, I'm going through the smaller size. Nike by You, Air Max 97, $160. Mids going for $125. $95 for the LeBron 21s right here, especially 40 off, so under $60. Take a look at the colorway, kind of a grayish one. Wait, I said 40% off, 60 is 40. No, that's not right. That's not right. I said that earlier. But yeah, $125 for these Jordan 1 SEs right here. These are size 9. Y'all ones right here, $120. Another colorway right here. This one's a little bit cheaper, $95. What are these right here? Some book ones right here. These are definitely interesting. That cracked leather? Is that cracked leather? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it does look like it's a glow-in-the-dark outsole as well. Is that just translucent? I don't know, but these are definitely interesting. It says chapter 1, since it is his first shoe. But yeah, $140 for those. At least you get 40 off. Back in the 10.5s, got some Zoom separates right here, going for $70. So what is that? 7 times 6, $42. Not too bad. See a worker doing some restocks right here. Is that the size I need? Nah, dang it. That's not. Dang it. I saw a worker just bring this out. Look at this. Jordan 1 High OG, $75, 40% off on top. Holy cow. Holy cow. Look at this. Wow. Wow, that's why you got to be here early in the morning as soon as they open, because that's when they bring stuff like this out. That's $45. $45 for Jordan 1 High OG. These are the Midnight Navy colorway right here. Holy cow. I wonder if Balling on a Budget got these for hella cheap, because he's a Jordan 1 fanatic. Holy cow. That's not my size, so obviously that's not going to work. Man, I would definitely cop if I found my size. And I did use the Nike app. Nah, that's the only size they have. Dang it. Dang it. And I'm going to put these back. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Putting them back. I did see that same worker bring out one of these. These are the social status pennies right here. Comes with 75 pair of laces, as well as a bunch of the Nike signs that you can switch, I guess. It's Velcro. Never really noticed that. Okay. Look at the price on these. $70 to get another 40% off. So these come out to $45 as well. Holy cow. All right, let's see what's going on with the big feet gang right here. $130 for the GT Cut 2s. Or GT Cut 3s, my bad. GT Cut 3s right here. Dang, after the discount, that's what, $70 or so? Look at the Immortalities right here. $25. $25. Remember, you get another 40 on top. Luca 3s going for 90. These are size 14. Separates $60 for the size 12. Roshi's going for $38, size 13. Center courts right here going for $50. Witness 8s right here, $55, size 13. Big Feet Gang got all kinds of $38 for Roshi's, size 14s. So we are seeing a few things that are just crazy cheap. Let's see what's up with the clearance apparel. I do see Tech Fleece piece right here, $105. So it's at like $65, $67. Mocha hoodie right here, $45. Okay. Medium weight, not too bad. Prairie View A&M going for $80. Rams shirts, $21. Not bad. Small. Oh, the medium, this one is slightly different, $35. Chargers hoodie right here, $175, size small. Do got some LeBron merch right here. $40 for that t-shirt. $40 for a t-shirt. Good lord, that's a lot. 40 freaking dollars. This is a different one though, but no price tag. Got shorts on this one right here, but I'm just not a fan of the Nike shorts right now, dude. A lot of them just way super thin, way super short. 25 for these right here. This one feels better than a lot of these cheaper ones. A lot of the dry fit just super thin. 49.99, kind of crazy. The Jordan one right here, this one's a little bit thicker. 25, yeah, that's way better. I like that price. I like the material. 40 for these right here. These are fleece, way too short. In my opinion, though, it might work for some of you guys. It might. And a lot of these super thin shorts might be ones you guys like as well. 25 for those. ACG shorts right here. $80. $80. At least you get that 40 off on top. ACG always premium with the material as well as the price tag. Got some Jordan fleece shorts right here. $30 for these bad boys. Still got the Team USA Olympic shirts right here with the Paris wording. Does say Paris on the arm right there. I don't see a price tag though. You can also see this rack right here full of sweats. This Jordan sweats right here going for $50. Was that bring it down to 30 after the savings? 40% off. Pretty nice, dude. 40% off. Pretty decent. What's up with these? What's up with this flight one right here? $55 for that. That might be the cheapest we've seen that, especially with that 40 off. Tech fleece right here. $130 though. Damn. So the sales aren't crazy, but there are finds here and there. Talked about these already. That dude cleared out most of the Jordan 1 hot OGs right there. We got Jaws going for $120. Dude did grab a couple of these as well. And of course the budget signatures, we always got plenty of these. Katie Trey 510s right here. Immortalities. We've seen that for crazy low. We've seen the Immortalities go for crazy low. Got Witnesses right here. The 7s, the 8s. Do got LeBron 21s. We've been seeing these go down, 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 and down. Then the next gens right here. $100 for that one right there. Seen a plethora of these. The Field Generals. They try to create some hype with the Union collab, but didn't really take off like that. We've even seen those at the outlets recently. These are all over 50 and 65. The Heritage Volks right here. These are SBs. We got the Burrows, a Trainer Lows, Nike Attacks, Terminator High, Be True colorway, Terminator High right here. And this is what I'm talking about right there. Extended size pricing. You might be able to get 40 off. I don't know. That's a good question. Infinity Run 4s go for way too much. Air Flight Light Mids, Light Legacies. These things. When I accidentally turning off the lights, got Dunks, Air Max 1s, 2017s. Fortunately, my camera is pretty decent, so still does okay. I don't know why half the lights turn off. Air Max 90s, 270s right here. Got some Airspan 2s in gray right here as well. More Burrows. And do got the Black Cement 3s. Been here that some of the outlets, they've been throwing these on the back wall. Here, they got them released here. So I doubt they're going to throw them on the back wall for a while. They will eventually, but it's going to take a while. Took a minute or two. Lights did get turned on eventually. Or the lights did get turned back on eventually, that is. Checking out the women's now. Do you got Jordan 1 Hot OGs? I don't think I saw this release. Women's only colorway, okay. Does come with green laces. $140 for these, size 10. Women's. Air Max 1s right here, size 6.5, 110. Arachis, $95. 6s right here, $140. Blazer Low Jumbos, 60 or 55. Size 8 right here, Jordan 2 Lows, $130. What's this refurb right here? What's this? I don't know what the hell that is. Gatos going for $75. Infinity Run 4s right here, $115. Pegasus 41s, $110. And not seen too much craziness in the women's over here. He brought out some Jordan 3s right there. I'm like, hey, is he gonna throw that on the back wall? No, I don't think so. But yeah, still got these here, dude. $45, still got those. And 66 for these, not bad, especially with the full box and everything. I got a size 10 right there. Gonna wrap things up in a minute. Do got Some random stuff right here, 40% off. For toddlers, a onesie, a beanie, and a bib. 40% off. $10? Normally $30, so that's $6. Dang. If you have a kid or if you need a present for someone who has a kid, hella cheap. Everyday plus socks right here. If you like super colorful socks, $15. Nike Essential Pump, $7. Another 40 off on top. Cotton stretch dry fit underwear. Boxer briefs. These are down to $39. You get it's a 3-pack. It's a 3-pack. Normally $75. There's no way that's normally $75. There's no way that's normally $75, right? That's crazy. Mouth guards right here. Just finding random stuff. Normally $16 down to $15. Not even a really good deal. A web pack? What the hell is that? Oh, is that are those belts? I think these are belts, right? $35 down to $13. Oh, and you just adjust it by cutting it. Oh, okay. But yeah, that's a hell of a discount. God dang. Got hair ties for the 6 women that do watch. $12. So at least you get 40 off. I guess some of you dudes have long hair too, right? All right, not one of the craziest trips, but we still found steals. That Jordan 1 High OG, the penny, man. Do got a Ross next door. We got to check it out, right? Another one of those Project Rock hoodies that I'm a huge fan of, 25. It's a medium. Still need an Under Armour shoes to match with those. This one's pretty interesting. This is a Jeremy Scott Adidas hoodie right here. I asked my kid, hey, what do you think about this? He's like, nah, I'm good. A little too much. I was like, I don't blame you. But yeah, it is cool. It does have a race car on it. If you're into racing, $28. Retail is $120, so almost $100 off if that's your thing right there, though. Got these in a small. If I had some Under Armour shoes already, I probably would pick this one up too, because I really do like that. I like the material, and I also I like that. That looks dope. And more of these. We've been seeing a ton of these. Coyotes, Fanatics jerseys go for $30. That's a large. Under Armour hoodie, $25. That's a double XL. And then why is the top tied up like it's a cape that Little Red Riding Hood's gonna wear or something? I don't know. $25 for this. Is this a windbreaker running jacket? Normally $82. Nike brand right here. That is a large. Moving on to the sneaker section. Is that Escapade? Is that Janet Jackson with Escapade? This is interesting because they do have Ultra Boost. These are small as well, size 5. Going for more than Burlington. Burlington had these for $40. They selling them for $55 here. That's interesting. KD Tray 5. What are these the 10s? I think these are the Tray 5 10s. $43. What are these? A size 9 or something? Air Max DNs making their way to the discount stores. $55, size 9 for these. Tray Unlimited right here, $35. These are what, a size 11 or something? Bigger sizes here. Some MB. What is these? The MB2s? MB3s? I don't remember. But yeah, $50 for those still. I said bigger sizes, and then I show you guys a small shoe because that's what happens to be. Yeah, this is 12.5 right here. $30 for these Trey Youngs who signed with Jordan Brand recently. I saw someone already mention in the comment section that we're going to see his Jordan Brand shoe all up at the outlets already or something. I was like, damn, dude, that fool hasn't even come out with the shoe yet. Y'all talking shit. Oh, damn. Y'all harsh. Probably accurate, but I'm just saying, dude, at least give him a try for $30 for these right now. Back in East LA, and of course they got 40% off. Do have a Foot Locker outlet right here where you get 50% off pretty much everything in the store. $25. Normally $100. 25, that's in dollars. Man, I gotta see if they have my size. Cause these are cool, man. These are cool.